This is River Benue, guys. That's where I am now. So, brother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm Dimat and Crafts, and you?
I'm Chigoteso. Yeah.
So, what do you have to tell us about here, about this River Benue, like the environment, and I'm seeing people there farming.
This is River Benue. This is Makurdi Bridge. This is the old bridge, Makurdi Bridge.
That's the old.
Yeah. We used to from Makurdi, from Urukum line about to North Bank. This is North Bank you are seeing there. This is what is called North Bank. This is the bridge you cross from here to North Bank. Yeah, so you are seeing here, this is River Benue. We used to call River Benue, start from Ademawa to Makurdi here. But it's the name in River Benue. So we call River Benue. So it's one of the largest river in Nigeria with River Niger. But where we stand is River Benue Makurdi. So what I will tell you about those farmers, this is what is called dry season farming. When you come here, you see different tribes, you see Hausas, you see some Igbo people are farming here, you see Tea people are farming here. In short, you see many tribes are farming here because when you come here, you hire the land you farm. Like you can farm like maize, something like pepper and okra, tomatoes, and green leaves like ogu, and we call alefu.
So during the rainy season, the water used to come.
The water
to the extent of here,
full
all these places.
Yeah, you will not even fit to come here. So you can't come here by that time because here it was too much water. This is what is called River Benue. We call this this is swamp area.
Swamp area.
Yeah, all those places all swamp area.
So this road now leads to where?
From here to Lafia, Nasarawa State. But the side you are seeing,
Nasarawa.
Yeah, to Nasarawa. But the side you are seeing, we call North Bank.
So these buildings you are seeing?
Yeah, this is North Bank. Everything. Once you cross the river that side, you are in North Bank.
Yeah, look at where they are crossing the other side.
You still link North Bank. This is the old bridge that link North Bank.
Okay, those ones crossing. They are using the old bridge to cross.
Yeah. Then do the bridge mainly for train. In ancient day, those trains are gone, but the motor used to pass there.
Okay, in the olden days, they used it for trekking.
So it was the first bridge in River Benue. So when before they come and do this one.
I said this one is how many kilometers?
3 kilometers away from here. Before you cross, you count 3 kilometers.
And these ones with the canoe, you say they are fishers?
Yeah, this is canoe. They are fishermen. Some of them, as you are seeing there, they will go inside and remove the sand and put inside the canoe and come out outside and pack and put so that the tipper will come and put. So as you are seeing there, you see the river, the sand they are packing there is from the canoe. You see the canoe there. So they are packing the sand to the tipper to go and sell it.
Sell it to those people then?
Yeah, sell it to tipper men and take it to those people that mold blocks and build houses. This is what is surviving them.
Yeah. That are using as means of surviving. It's interesting.
There is much business here. It happened that if our Nigerian government know much about this thing, when you come and intervene into this, there is nothing like you look for money to give you to do. You just find something for the youth here. Or if the government have to come and drive the River Benue, people will be just coming here to pack the sand, so that they will go to use some other thing. But there is nothing like to drive the River Benue. There is much sand here, much sand inside. Before, the river was high deep, but the sand covers some parts. As you are seeing, sand. And it's really sharp sand that you can use to do something like ties and many things. So we have many things here to do, but we don't know what to do. Yeah. If you look at that net, that black net there, it's part of fishermen.
Okay.
Yeah. The net has the hole, small hole. So when fish is coming there, it can hook inside.
They use and cross that place now.
Yeah. When you come, you remove the net, then you get the fish.
So all those people that are there now, they're fishing?
No, some are bathing there. Some they just come down to bath. Most of people here from this side and come to bath here. You can even drink this water. Nothing
The
can.
hot weather.
Yeah, you can even drink the water and nothing can happen to you because it's clean water. You are seeing it.
Okay, guys, so this is River Benue. When you talk of River Benue, this is River Benue. That's where we are. Wow. So it's because of the dry season that the river has to end that place.
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
Not
yeah,
get
yeah,
to
yeah.
this extent.
Yeah, yeah. Enter here. And buy the
sand from
sand
there.
and take it up. So you see many people are here doing their businesses. As you
The
see.
people inside the boat, the all
They are all
fishermen.
fishermen. You see example. Look at them with the nets. So
See this one, they throw it. They already throw it and they're dragging it out.
So when they remove
That one
it,
have catch, oh.
yeah, you see many fish on
Wow.
that net. So you see here we are. This is what is called River Benue. You see, look at North Bank.
Those buildings there.
Yeah,
those places
once
are
you cross
called
there, you're North Bank. So look at that is the end of the River Benue bridge.
And you said during rainy season that the water is all here.
Is the water. You see
covered with
water
water.
here, covered with water everywhere to up. So you can't come here by then. So that is what we have here.
This is interesting.
Yeah.
This is my first time of being in River Benue. Hey, I do travel through here to Nasarawa sometimes, like, but I've not really stepped down like this. This is my first time of coming here like this. Hey, see me, oh, see River Benue, like for real. Hey, this is interesting. And the sand, look at.
This is the sand.
Okay.
This is the sand.
And they call it sharp sand.
Sharp. This is sharp sand.
Sharp sand.
Yeah. It's real sharp sand. This is real sharp sand. Original.
Good afternoon, well done.
Look at the Melua.
You go see what it.
You see?
Hippopotamus.
You see?
For where?
You see how they are swimming inside.
Say, if I go there, we'll see hippopotamus. For where?
See that place, you see road, if you don't follow there, you see.
If they their life.
I swear.
If they their life.
So I think for that one there. Two.
So now to swim, now you can't swim like this. You just come back for school to come swim. I can't tell me your name.
And then Nura.
Your name now?
Nura.
Where are you from?
Na Gwanduku.
That's Benue State here.
Yes.
Akodi here. Since when you start, they come swim here?
That's
What age?
now the time where they small.
Like what age? If you remember.
No, I don't go remember.
But don't they? How old are you now?
15.
You're 15. So you just came back from school and just to come and swim.
No, today I not go school. I finish it now.
Okay, so you just want to catch fun, swim. But I dive in, let me see now. This is interesting, no? Well, you do your own math in that. I get it. Me, I cannot swim. Oh. My liver no reach this one. Let me touch River Benue. One more. Hey, this is interesting.
Those are the people that are usually to do business. This is their business. Some of them there, as you are seeing there, they are the people who have this
Sand.
sharp sand. So when people come to buy, they will sell it to him. You look at the other women are selling their food, drinks, mineral. This is what brought them here because people always there here. You see others there. They are Melua, so they fetch water here to sell out of in the town. So people used to buy it. And you look at the water, this is what is called, we call River Benue here. This is under the bridge.
It's under the bridge.
Yeah, this is under the bridge. So you see River Benue here. You see these boats. Then went down there to fetch the sand and bring it outside so that they will push it so that the tipper will come and buy it. If you take a look at there is one man there inside the boat that are removing the sand from the boat. You understand? So, and you see the fishermen are there. You see the net.
Look at the net.
Look at them.
They're throwing it inside the river.
Yeah, thank you. All of them you see inside the river there, they are fishermen.
All those people inside the boat today, they are
They are
fishermen.
fishermen, apart from those ones that are fishing sand there. And you see how this man is coming with the. He's coming up here. You see
Go
how
down.
be going. So this is how we used to do here in River Benue, Makurdi.
Okay, guys, so this is River Benue. Like, when you talk about River Benue for real, I am here live and direct. Like, this side is not the one that I will be like standing on top to like see on top of the bridge. So this one is under the bridge, like under the bridge, the river going like this, River Benue. And if okay, so look at these people. These are the people that went to get the sand right from the river. Wow, this is interesting. Even the other boats.
Even the other boats.
Okay, wow. These are the people that went to get the sand from the river. Oh, this part of their own business. They get the sand from there and sell it. Brother, good afternoon. Well now. How you doing now? Well done. Well done. If you stop, your boat fit stop. Well done. Okay. Let me come and meet you. Now you go talk. You don't get wahala now. No, my first time to be here like this with this. I never come here before. I just pass like this, but I never come reach here.
Your leg never.
My leg never touch River Benue, and I today be the first time.
So you
like
don't
this.
check your leg inside.
Come. Okay, okay, wait, ma.
Check your leg inside.
Wait, ma, feel am.
Feel am more.
Ah, but that place deep, oh. I don't go there.
Okay,
I go
that
for. No, I don't go there. That place deep.
But you never sink now.
That place deep. I don't go enter inside there. How you doing now?
Very fine.
You see now you dey direct here.
Yeah.
I dey enjoy River Benue.
What is your name? I know your name before.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you have to tell us about this?
You see, this work where you see now you are managing it. So as you can see, these my workers, they are working every blessed day here. So that is how we manage the business here.
Okay. How do they get this sand? Like?
How you can get it by when you go to the river bank and you dig it.
You enter inside the water.
Yeah,
and
you
dig.
enter inside the water before you have it. You have to see. You have to go underground.
This is Wurukum under bridge.
Go under bridge. River Benue.
River Benue.
Wow, this is my first time of visiting here.
Yeah, I'm very happy to see you.
Thank you.
And you know, bring us cola, and we need cola. But you are enjoying River Benue.
I'm not even enjoying it.
Because
Like
of
that.
the air. Because of the air. Because of the air of Benue. Because you enjoy the Benue
The weather
air.
is very hot.
The weather is very hot. But we were there under bridge. We are enjoying the water.
Because of the water.
Because of the water.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you much.
Thank
I'm
you,
very
sir.
happy to see you.
Thank you. Thank
And making a tell our father earlier to help us because we need help.
Okay.
I'm going on your pool.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, oh, thank you. My brother, well done. Oh. Yeah?
This is my sister like water.
You say? No, my first time I dey come River Benue be this. Very sweet, ba. Hey, I don't enjoy the water. Well done, work. All right.